First, you want to just drizzle some olive oil on your chocolate. This really helps melt quicker, easier. So you want to take this, put it in the microwave for 20 seconds at a time. You want to really be careful when you're microwaving chocolate because it tends to burn really quickly. So 20 seconds. So we're almost there. It'll take a couple of times in the microwave before it's completely melted. It just needs, I'd say, 10 more seconds. Be perfect. All right, this is our last go. It should be nice and melted when we're done. Okay, now you give it a good stir. So now you see it's all melted and looking sexy.